them try to get me look pretty savage. They got her own bag, got goody and she bad, and ain't too many had it. Got a man, but she vanished. They like to toast up till she did.
What's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you how I pulled off this half wig. It is the OUTRE CONVERTI-CAP, and packaging looks like this. The style is called Beach Babe, and the color is DR Chai Latte. I got the packaging this time, okay? And this is just the booklet in the back that it comes with, just so you guys know what it looks like and everything. You're one of those girls who always felt like it would be scary to wear a wig, or that it would be hard to do, or that you just won't be able to do it, that you'll probably mess something up. Please, please, please don't feel like that. I used to feel like that all the time, I'm not gonna lie. But it's really easy, like it's simple. it's nothing to worry about. It's nothing that you could feel threatened by. If I can do it for the first time, then I know y'all can do it. It doesn't really tangle, but it does like if it snags or anything like that, then you know it kind of stretches and loses its texture a little bit, but that's kind of to be expected. I didn't really have any problems with it. It didn't shed at all. I can't tell you about the long-term wear because I only ended up wearing it for 2 days, so I just want to let you guys know that if you're looking for you know, just wearing it for a long time, you probably can, but I can't give you any advice on it. Pretty much it's super easy. I'll just get to it and show you how I did it. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. So here I'm just showing you guys that it has 4 combs, 1 in the front, 2 at the sides, and 1 in the back, as well as an adjustable drawstring. So once the wig is on, I go ahead and insert the back comb first. Also, if you do use a drawstring, I will go ahead and do it right after inserting the back comb, because you don't want to wait until you insert all the other combs, because then it'll be harder to tuck the drawstring away. So once I get the back part situated, I go ahead and insert the side combs. Once the side is on, I go ahead and do the front comb last. So once that's on and adjusted, I go ahead and slide my headband up. And now that the wig is secure, I go ahead and secure the headband. The first thing that I did was pin the headband to the wig. I do this to make sure that the headband is always covering the parts of the hairline that's showing. Once that was done, I just began to pin my hair to the side. Even though with this wig, you can actually just put your hair to the side and wear it like that. But for me, I was at work, so I wanted to make sure that the hair was pinned down and out of my face. And lastly, all you really have to do now is just lay your edges down if you choose to. I'm not really the go all out with your edges type of girl. From time to time, I'll do that, but for the most part, I just laid them down a little bit. Especially because I only wore it for the video. I knew I was going to take it right off, so I didn't need to do all the extra stuff anyway. But that's it. There's nothing left to do. You made it to the end. I told you guys it would be easy. Hope this video has helped you out and showed you how to pull off a half wig. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment and share.